Lois and Brian, the love you have for each other is unparalleled. It's the type of love that most seek but few get to find.
Dear Lindsay, it's finally here, the day we've been waiting so long for it. This is so hard.
To my love, on our wedding day. Today's a day we have been waiting for our entire lives.
It feels like last week when we were sitting in psychology class working on our brain project. When we partnered up for this project, it was the first time I ever spoke to you, and let me tell you, I was so nervous that I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to tell you my name. I thought you were overwhelmingly beautiful with the biggest and brightest smile I've ever seen. And now look, in a few short hours, I will be marrying the woman of my dreams. When I'm with you, everything else fades into the background.
Today's a day we have been waiting for our entire lives. I remember as a little girl sitting in the windowsill of my childhood home as I tried to piece together what my life would look like one day. I dreamed of what my future husband would look like, what job he would have, or what car he would drive. He just never had a face. I knew it had to be someone kind, shared my same goals and values, appreciated me, loved me, and my family, could be a greater father, and had God in their heart. As I grew older, I really thought my ideal picture of a perfect man was never to be found. Some told me growing up over the years, there is no perfect man. There will always be things you don't like about him and wish you could change, but you would just have to compromise, because no man like that exists. There's no guy that will be perfect. I would even ask my mother how I will know when he is the right one. She would say, "You would just know, Lindsay. You won't say I really love him, but," because there will be no buts. "You will not have to work hard at the relationship at all. It will be easy, and all your hopes and dreams will be in line. He is out there, Lindsay, and one day you will find him and will just know." And Mother was so right all those years.
Want you close to me, close to me, close to me, oh close to me. When I don't have the words to breathe, your honesty would throw me a line. It took me by surprise, but I don't mind anymore.
This is the day that I know you have been waiting for your whole life. I know you are so nervous, but it is all right. We're going to do this together. I will be waiting for you at the end of the aisle.
Just to hear your voice in the noise. Won't you close to me, close to me, close to me, oh, close to me. When I don't have the words to bring.
I'll be there to hold your hand as we say I do. Now, when I say I do, I mean I will. I will be there all along the way, over every stumble and threshold. I will take the stress from you and fill you with relief. I will stand by your side until our final days. So know that I'm counting the seconds till I see you come walking through those church doors. And remember, with each step down the aisle brings us closer to starting our forever together. I love you with all my heart. I will be waiting.
Close to me, close to me, oh, close to me. What if I wonder? What if I missed it all?
You are my dream man, everything I have prayed for my entire life. I love you, Brian Tyler McKinney. And as I promise my love to you today, just know my picture is complete, just as I always pictured it. The face I could never see in my dreams is yours. And I'm counting the minutes until we stand before God, our family, and our friends, and vow our love to each other. Thank you for choosing me for the rest of your life. Love, your wife-to-be.
Brian, from the time Lois brought you around us, we loved you. You were absolutely perfect for her. Welcome to our family. Lois, my little sister, you are such a beautiful bride, an amazing woman, and I'm so proud of who you've become. I pray for a lifetime of happiness for both of you guys. To the bride and groom, everybody.
Got the money if you got the time, I got the stars if you got